What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the MGM Grand. Going to do a tour of the newly remodeled Grand King Room in room 21427. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so walking into this newly renovated room, immediately you can see the refresh just in the carpet alone, but with the wall paint and the wallpaper. It looks very, very clean and modern. So immediately to the left, we go into the bathroom, just as the previous room. So when you walk in, you do have your single vanity sink. And then you have the massive mirror above. So if you need plenty of lighting to get glamified, you do have that as well. You still have your vanity mirror. So for those who need to have that extra mirror to get cleaned up, you've got that available for you as well. And they have added the hand wash and body lotion dispensers here. So they do have dispensers now in the bathroom. So that's pretty clean. And then coming around here, you still have your toilet areas, not a water closet, not closed off, but you have your toilet here. And then they did throw in this little disco ball mirror and graffiti for look, so that is an update as well. But here we have the walk-in shower, which was a much needed update for these new grand rooms. So as you see, instead of the shower tub combo, they do have a full walk-in shower with the updated tiling. It is clean, modern, and looks really, really nice. So here's your walk-in shower with the same shower head. And then instead now you have your dispensers for your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So you do get dispensers. That seems to be a theme now with all of the renovations in Vegas, but you get your dispensers now instead of the bottle tub. So that's really, really nice. So it's a clean bathroom. And then as you make your way into the main part of the room, now here to the right, if you do have a connecting room or a connecting suite, this will be the door for that access point here. And then directly across from that, you have your closet. So as you see, they've got the doors updated as well. So definitely went all in on this reno, really nice. To the left here, you do have your in-room safe. So if you need to lock in your valuables, in-room safe is still there. You've got that there as well with your hangers. And then you have your ironing board on this side. And then of course, what everybody needs when they're in Vegas, a full body mirror. So if you need to check yourself out before you hit the strip to make sure you're fresh, you've got that full body mirror there to make sure you can do that as well. Gotta make sure you're right before you hit the strip. So there's your closet, and then we get into the main part of the room, and as you can see, this is a very, very clean and nice room. This renovation is very fresh. 2 thumbs up for me. So let's get through this room and let's check out what they got. So starting on this side of the bed, you do have your lamp here right here, and you can control it as well. So this is a switch to control the lighting if you want to cut that on and off. And then this switch right here is just for the light bedside, so your reading lamps. You do have an iHome clock radio as well, and it does have the fast charging port, as you can see, if you need to charge your phone, iPhone, or Android, because that's an Android. You know that's how we do it on this side. You have that there as well, and then you also have your USB if you want to plug that there, along with the USB and USB-C and standard outlet charging port. So whatever device you have you need to charge, you've got a hub there for you as well. And then this is your king bed. So as you can see, they've updated the headboard, and then you still have your king size bed as well. Very, very nice and very, very soft and comfortable. They even got the little lights underside of the bed. So shout out to them for that. Put a little modern touch to it. Across from your bed, you do have your flat screen TV. And then you still have your little mini bar area. Not as much stuff here, thank God, because nobody really grabbing stuff off this sensor anyway. But if you need some smart water or some M&Ms or some Pringles, you can just go ahead and grab that off that bar right there to use your card at check-in to charge that. Down here below, we do have storage, and that's behind this one and this one as well. So these are your extra storage drawers if you do need to store some things around. Now behind this door here, we do have a surprise to this reno, and I am a fan of it. This is a empty mini refrigerator. So if you want to keep your drinks cool in these new reno rooms, they actually gave you an empty mini refrigerator. So that's 2 thumbs up for an update for a room. And then over here you do have your stock mini bar. So you You got your empty mini fridge, but if you need something last minute, you want to grab a beer or something, a couple airplane bottles, you can just snatch those out of there as well. Again, it'll use your card at check-in. Now this is your work desk space, so you know they definitely had a workspace. They had this space in the last room, but they've updated the countertops and tiling, so you got your chair and you've got plenty of space here. So you got your light there if you need to do some business while you're in town. And then on the other side of the bed, it's the same thing. You still have your charging ports as well. You can control the lighting from this side of the room as well. And then they throw in a little design here. So this is your updated room. The call of the disco ball. You know, they definitely threw something here with a fancy touch to give it an extra design here. And you actually have extra seating, so if you have extra guests, they can sit on there as well. And then, as in the other rooms, you do have your 2 chairs. So if you need to dine or you want to eat something here aside from the work desk space, you do have 2 chairs. Now over here on the lamp, if you are over here and again you need extra charging, you can control this lamp with a switch, but there is a USB-C and USB charging port right there. So more charging, which is a beautiful thing because we love our charging ports out here. And then this is your view from the room. Now right now, as y'all see, this will be like your city view, but this will be your baseball stadium view. This is actually long-term going to be a very nice view. So if you're staying here to watch the game or want to go to one of those A's games, directly across from your room, you will see the stadium. You can also see Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and then the Dirty Castle, of course. But this early stages, it looks like dirt right now as we see, but this will actually be a baseball view room. So 2 thumbs up for that. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video.